Төртчі қамту бойынша Қырғызстандың лидерінің чексіздікті қошу ал. 4 жұмаға болғыны 500 сом. Максималды ылдамдықтағы чексіз интернет. Ақысыз мессенджерлер менен социалдық тармақтар. Wi-Fi'ды ақысыз тарату. Чексіз чалула. Жоғырқу сапаттағы 200-ден ашуын телеканал. Этно медиа онлайн кинотеатрын ақысыз көрі. Мой отіркемесінің же Остор дүкендерінің ақысыз есім. Барына чексіз.
The continent of Asia represented well here. And look at this, right out of the gate, the offense from Fumito. Feet to back for 4 as Kenichiro Fumito came right at him 8 seconds in.
But I think Shashenbekov got the points.
Oh, they gave it the 4 to Kyrgyzstan. So there we go, right back again. Boy, look at this, Frederick.
That was
I'd love to see another replay. Take a look at it.
That was a quick start.
So 4-1.
As we talked about earlier, some of the wrestlers at this level, they're holding back a little bit. Not in this case.
Fumito, 27 years old, and again he tries to...
And he got the 2, I think.
Put Shashenbekov out, and he gets the 2. The judge came in with it, the match chairman. Referee did not signal it. So the judge and the match chairman come in with 2, and man, these guys are throwing early, 4-3.
Fumito maybe he's the taller guy, and when they're in the clinch, like he can maybe lift Shashenbekov up a little bit and then explode. Again, a clinch position. Where typical Asian wrestlers are very good in clinch position. The ground technique is always on point.
Ooh, man, look at the force and violence on that. And he has that trap arm gun as well. Now, coming out of it is Fumito. He's going to end up on top possibly. 10-5. And we go back to the feet. Not even 90 seconds in, 15 points put up on the board. And you could just hear the... Yeah, the very first one to start the match is the one I'd love to see again. Well, for sure he had points there. Now they go near the edge, but they were out of bounds. Step out point awarded. First foot out was Shashenbekov.
And he just pushed a little bit, and Shashenbekov.
Oh. Trying to hit the arm throw was Fumito.
No point awarded.
Yep, no points. He initiated it. Shashenbekov firing near the edge. Fumito locks up his arm. One to Kyrgyzstan, and it's 11-6. With their body of work through the first 3 minutes. Yeah, lots of action. This highlight reel is going to be fun to watch. 11-6 after 1. Bekov, a 4-time Asian medalist, won a couple of gold, pair of silvers. The defending world champion in Belgrade. It's all dried off. Buckle up for this second period. Let's see if Fumito comes in on the whistle like he did to start the match. Fumito gradually feeling where he is. trying to bunker down here. He knows he's in a vulnerable position with the underhook established for Šaršenbekov, so he wants to be real careful, and he'll get the whistle. 2:06 to go here for the Goldman. Hands are clenched. This is where Fumito likes to roll the die a little bit, so something is coming. He's just bracing, and then the referee stopped it. So we go back to the center with 42 seconds.
And Fumito really needs to take a chance right now. Even a 4-pointer isn't enough.
All of the offense coming in the opening 3 minutes. Neither wrestler has scored here in period 2.
Fumito is searching for something, but Šaršenbekov is not allowing him with the 10 seconds left. Not opening anything.
The 11-point barrage in the first period by Zolomon Šaršenbekov, the difference. And for the second straight year, Kyrgyzstan wins a world championship. What was the key in the second period? What did he do differently to keep Fumito from getting to all those upper body throw attempts that we saw?
I think the respect Fumito maybe got from the first period, that he just can't throw because this guy is like a cat. He lands on his stomach every time.
So it was more Fumito changing up his course of an approach.
I think both of them. Šaršenbekov, of course, closes a little bit. He knows there is no reason for me to go in these positions right now.